So in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the unknown USB device descriptor request failed error on your Windows computer. By following these simple steps, you can resolve this issue and restore proper functionality to your USB ports. So let's start the video. To begin, right click on the Start button and select Device Manager from the Context menu. In the Device Manager window, scroll down to the bottom and expand the Universal Serial Bus Controllers section. Look for Unknown USB device descriptor request failed at the bottom. Mine is missing. Once you have found Unknown USB device descriptor request failed, right click on them and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. Next, click on the search bar and type Power Plan. Select Edit Power Plan from the search results. In the Edit Plan Settings window, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. This will open the Power Options window. Expand the USB Settings section and then expand USB Selective Suspend setting. Disable both options on battery and plugged in by setting them to disabled. Once both done, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Finally, while still in the Power Options window, choose what the power button does from the left-hand menu. Click on Change settings that are currently unavailable to unlock the grayed out options. In the Settings section, uncheck the box next to Turn on Fast Startup. Click Save Changes to apply these modifications. Restart your computer once more to ensure all changes are properly implemented. By following these steps, your issue should be resolved. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel.